In this lesson, we'll discuss piers and pillars. Switch to a three-dimensional view in your current Revit project. In this 3D view, you see we have vertical structural columns, but we need to place piers below those. How do we go about doing that? Well, we're going to modify an existing column into a different dimensional value and then place the pier. So let's go back to the Level 1 floor plan. From here, let's go to the Structure tab, click Column, and then in the Property area, choose the concrete rectangular column type. Now, I want a size of 24 by 24. It doesn't exist, so we're going to have to duplicate one. So let's just choose the 12 by 18. Once the 12 by 18 is selected, click Edit Type. This will open the type editor. Now we want to make a new one. So click Duplicate, and let's give the new name 24 by 24, indicating it's a 2 foot by 2 foot column. Click OK. Now change the dimensional values to depict 24 by 24 or 2 feet by 2 feet. With that set, click OK. Now we can see that column in the property area and the values are set. Now to place these columns, verify on the ribbon vertical column is selected, and you could pick the intersections one by one, or you could pick at columns, or in this instance, let's choose at grids. But one thing I'm going to do or verify before that is look at my options bar. I want to make sure that this option setting is set to depth, not height, because I'm looking at level 1, and I want the pier to go down from level 1 to my level top of footing. If you clicked on at grids, just X out of that, reset this to depth top of footing if it's currently not set. Then go back to at grids. Now, simply window in your grids by dragging a window from right to left. The grids are selected, and you can see, in this instance, the piers are created. Click Finish on the ribbon, and to exit the command, click Modify in the upper left. Now, to view this in 3D, click the default 3D view, and you can see now piers have been added below each of my vertical columns. Now, there's also other types of piers and pillars you can use or load into your Revit project. To show some of those instances or types, click Insert, Load Family, and then browse down to the grouping Structural Columns. In Structural Columns, choose Concrete. In the Concrete folder, you can choose different types of columns to add within your Revit project. Click Cancel. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at creating piers and pillars. We started out by using an existing pier or column that was inside of our Revit project. We duplicated it, made a new size, and then inserted in those piers below existing structural columns within our Revit project.